Have you ever wondered how video games are actually made? From simple mobile games to huge open-world games, game development is a long and creative process. Today, we'll understand how games are made in the simplest way possible. Step 1. The game idea. Every game starts with an idea. Developers first decide what type of game they want: story, characters, gameplay, game world. This stage is called planning or game design. Step 2. Creating the game world. Next, artists create characters, buildings, weapons, maps, animations. These are made using 2D or 3D design software. This is how the visual world of the game is created. Step 3. Programming the game. Now programmers start coding. They create systems for player movement, shooting, physics, enemies, sound, menus. Programming tells the game how everything should work. Popular game programming languages include C, C#, Python. Step 4. Using a game engine. Most modern games are built using game engines. A game engine helps developers create games faster. Popular game engines include Unreal Engine, Unity, Godot. Game engines handle things like graphics, physics, lighting, animation. Step 5. Adding sound and music. Sound designers create background music, footsteps, gun sounds, voice acting. Audio makes games feel more realistic and immersive. Step 6. Testing the game. Before release, developers test the game carefully. This process is called game testing. Testers search for bugs, crashes, glitches, performance issues. Developers fix these problems before launch. Step 7. Optimization. Games must run smoothly on PCs, consoles, or phones. Developers optimize the game by improving FPS, graphics performance, loading speed, memory usage. Optimization is extremely important. Step 8. Game release. Finally, the game is released to players. Games can launch on PC, PlayStation, Xbox, mobile phones. After release, developers often continue updating the game. How big games are made. Large games are created by huge teams. Some game studios have hundreds of developers, artists, programmers, sound designers. Big games can take many years to complete. Quick recap: games start with an idea, artists create the world, programmers write the code, game engines help build the game, then developers test, optimize, and release it. Now you understand how games are made. If you want more simple tech videos like this, subscribe to Byte. And tell me in the comments, what is your favorite game of all time?